The soft glow of the night defined across a silent street of the city. A cool blaze carried scenes around, and breathes the silver moonlight. Walked a woman who has represent felt unforgettable. Her the was Sarah. Sarah was not simply admired for her appreciation. She was filled a quiet of hers warmth and confidence that touched every soul around her. There was grace in the way and she walked, comfort in the smile and dream sealing deep with her eyes. People often notice her beauty first, but her strange living beyond on the surface. Sarah was the kind of woman who has transferred pain in her power. Every harsh word she has ever had become another reason to rise strong, wiser, and more fearless than before. Whenever she stood before a mirror, she did not just only see her reflection, she saw her the journey. Every curve, every scare, every emotion carried a story for survivor. She self and courage. She understood something the world often forget. Beauty has never meaning to fit inside narrow expectation. Truth, beauty living inside confidence and kindness and the ability to embrace one's life completely. Her laugh, her like the first rain after a long summer. Refreshing, gentle, and deeply comforting. Her voice, carrier, and calmness that made people feel safe as if they had finally found pieces after wandering for two. Sarah loved walking within the city light, speaking silently for dream will the world slid around her. Her heart carried loud, but even more than love, it is a carry respect for herself. She had learned that the most beautiful relations and any on the cloud every beauty was the one they created within her own soul.